lovely people. You'll have to forgive the background noise. I've got the washing machine on and I'm probably about to turn the fan on because as usual it's humid. Alright, so today I'm going to do the unthinkable and make another confetti soap. Dear, I have all these wonderful shavings. I have these, but I also have, where's the other one gone? Oh, there it is. I also have these. These are going to go in a mint soap because they're just nice citrusy, I don't know, they're citrusy colours and I'm putting them in a mint soap, so go figure. But I want to, I looked at these are all the shavings off a white label order. And I thought these are kind of the colours that you would find in a terrazzo tile, and I love terrazzo tiles. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to give this a bit of a whiz and get it emulsified, and then what we'll do is we'll add half of this, because terrazzo tile has really big bits and really small bits. So I thought if we add half of this and then stick blend it, and then add the other big pieces and not stick blend it, then we'll have like different sizes and it should look more natural. And yeah, I'm going to use Aussie sea salt. I meant to have a look when I was upstairs at how it behaves. Can't remember, don't really care. I'm in a mood, so we have no internet. Actually, I'll take that back. We have internet for about 30 seconds, and then we don't have internet. And then we have internet for about 30 seconds, and then we don't. So, yeah, so being upstairs, I'm already depressed enough as it is. I can't deal with that today, so I'm not dealing with it. I'm down here with you guys. I'm soaping for my mental health, literally. Alright, so let's just put a whole heap and bunch in here. So there is a variety of fragrances, which I don't know whether they will affect the end soap. There is, I believe, the pink is black raspberry and vanilla. The creamy coloured one would be probably pineapple and pink berries. The grey one would be dupe, and it has poppy seeds in it. And then there would be a kind of a greyish colour, which would be 1 million. So it's definitely, it's quite nice, honestly. It's quite a nice smell. I'm probably going to do, let's do a bit more. And I think that should probably be enough. Let's try that. Right, so I'm going to stick blend these to make them smaller. Oh shit. Okay, so as you can see, we now have vomit soap, which, you know, that's how it goes when we do this. I'm not overly worried at all. Oh, that's 2. Right, we don't need 2. Yes, all this forced cheer is pretending. Just so you know. Now, I'm going to add the fragrance in now, because if it plays up and I need to stick blend it some more, although how the hell am I going to know if it rises or not? There's a thought. Yeah, well, we'll find out in a minute, won't we? I quite like this fragrance. This is the Aussie sea salt from Range. It's quite nice. It's quite fresh. Sort of, it's definitely oh god, it loosens trace. Righto. Well, that's great. Okay, so I'm not going to mix that anymore then. What I'm going to do, it's kind of like a coastal or spa. When people talk about fragrances, they say they smell like sparse fragrances or coastal. The Aussie sea salt's very much like that. Alright, so these ones I am not going to stick blend so that they stay nice and big. You know what, let's just put it all in there. It's probably, mean, there was as much of this as there was of soap butter, so... Oh dear. Whether or not this looks like terrazzo, at the moment it kind of just looks like porridge. Who knows? I brought over 2 moulds because I knew that there would be too much for one. But I just want to make sure that this is all sort of well incorporated. So this will have some exfoliation, purely because it does have poppy seeds in it. Oh, wow, okay, so that's, I don't know whether it's gone thick from the fragrance or from the, oh, wow, okay, we've basically got soap on a stick here. So we better hurry up. That's definitely set up really fast. I'm going to knock this down. Try not to get any... Holy shit. Okay. So I don't know whether the fragrance has reacted to what. I don't know. I don't know what it's reacted to, but it's definitely reacted to something. Oh, wow. That's so thick. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Wow, that's so... I haven't seen a soap do this for quite some time. I don't remember this seizing, so maybe it's reacting with one of the other fragrances, maybe? Oh, that's pretty... Don't know what I'm going to do with this. This is not enough to do anything with. Not even freebies, I don't think. Wow. Oh, that went a little quicker than I was expecting. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, that's hard. Wow. Wow, that's like, holy crap, that's solid. Like, this is solid. Look at this. It's like a little ball of soap. Okay, well, I don't think we're going to be able to do much to the top of that. Hopefully... Can I at least, not really, I was going to say, can I at least flatten it a little bit? Hopefully it'll look like tile. Oh yeah, it's hot too. Oh yeah. And I don't think I soaked hotter than normal. I had to put the oils in the microwave to melt them down, but it wasn't like super hot, so... Alrighty, well I guess we'll just wait and see what happens. Alright, I had, no, that's for the other side, never mind. So I had some curls. I don't think there's really much I can do for the top of this that's going to help it. I don't think it needs glitter because it's supposed to look like tiles, so... Wow, right. I can guarantee when I go upstairs I'll be watching the last Aussie sea salt to see if it did anything strange like that. Okay. Well, I guess that was a really quick video. We will come back very shortly through the magic television and cut the soap. Bye. Welcome back. So I went and watched the video of the last time I used this, and yes, it did it then too. So, okay, now, it looks like a dog's breakfast. It's nice and white though, so... it's also like 1:30 in the morning. I made this afternoon, and it's just solid. She's solid, totally solid. Oh my god, yes, it's hard as. You know what? I don't hate it. Wow. I don't hate it. It's kind of what I wanted. So I don't put my hand in the way. It kind of looks like terrazzo tile. We actually need bigger pieces though. If it had like actual chunks of soap as well, I think it would have been perfect. But in saying that, I don't hate it. I really don't. So, and the other one, so apparently all the soaps I've made in this house, I've not listed a single one on the website. They're just sitting in the cupboard. Because the last Aussie sea salt that I made is sitting up in the cupboard, and I just haven't put it on the website. And it still smells, so. But yeah, so that's it. I mean, it looks weird, but I don't hate it. I'm surprised that I don't hate it, to be honest. It's just something a bit different for me. It's very earthy looking. Can't believe I'm cutting it. I just come down here to turn the fan off because the fan was on in the laundry because I had the dryer on earlier. And if you don't turn the fan on, it gets the walls get a bit wet. But I'll come down and turn that off before I go to bed. Pull the other piece like that. This, I'll show you. this is the other piece. I don't know what's going on with this. Like, it looks just like, I don't know, a piece of a porridge maybe. Not totally sure what it looks like. Dog's breakfast, dog's vomit maybe. I don't know. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. It's kind of disgusting. Oh well. Yeah, I don't hate it, I've got to say. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Like, there's so many different colours in there. That's what I like, is the fact that it's got, bring that right in. You can see it's got like the grey and the pink and the peach, and what else is in there? Two different greys. There's the peach and then there's the pink. Well, it's not peach, is it? It's a, I don't know, some weird colour. But yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to cut up this other piece. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But it's not much good as it stands. So, I don't know, there'd be some weird friggin' freebies to send to people, wouldn't it? If you got this in the mail, would you think you were being pranked or something? Because, like, I don't know. Actually, I don't hate how it looks. It's kind of cute. I don't hate it, honestly. I'm going to keep these for freebies. Stuff it. Look, if no one's going to write back and say, that's free soap you sent me is shit, take it back, I don't want it, are they? No, they're not. Most people who get free things don't tell you, do they? Dear. Alright, well, I don't think I can cut the other one because I think it's too soon and I'm not going to attempt it. Mint.